Hey you guys. Why do I have to say hey you guys with my hands like this? Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle, and in today's video I want to share with you guys a new product by my friend Robin. It's called the Curl Daze. This is the Glossy Shine Gel, and this is what I use for my edges. I've been using this for about a week now, and I am thoroughly impressed. Like, I use other gels for my edges, but this, even though I know her, but I am like, this is like my go-to product. So I want to share with you guys what I do with my edges, how this holds, and let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I use is my edge brush, where I bought this on Amazon. You can find this at a hair product store or even use a toothbrush. So my hair is dry. This is like second day hair, and my edges are dry. So usually I would wet my edges and then just lay them out. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. So I just dip some of the gel in here. You don't need that much. It smells. It smells like a fresh, like you just got out the shower and you're fresh and you're about to walk on the beach and have like a coconut martini. That's what it smells like to me. I dip some again, just a little bit. Guys, this stuff stays on so well. It's not super sticky, and when it dries, it holds. So yeah, I love it. Love it. And there you go. You've got some edges. Easy, right? So here's the final product. This gel is hands down by far the best gel I've ever tried in my life. Now, being half black and Filipino, my mom never really, like, she didn't know about black hair, and I had to figure that out along the way, like I was saying, in my 20s. So, you know, I've been trying so many products here and there, but Robin, girl, you did that. Okay, I love this gel. She has other products as well that I use on my hair, which I will show you. She has an ultra moisture cream that I use every other day, and also a curl styler. There's also a creamy curl styler. Girl, the bomb. What I like to do is use the Shine Gel and the ultra moisture cream together, and that's all you need. And with a leave-in conditioner and some oils, your hair will look amazing. And this is an outcome. This is like day 2 of my hair. One thing I do like about this gel is that the quality of the gel is very consistent. It's when I do my edges, I feel like I have control with it. Like, it's just too easy swifts and it holds. And it doesn't leave any flakes. It's not like crunchy or sticky. So that's a plus for me, and I highly recommend it. So you guys go out and get some the Curl Daze gel and just slay your edges. Slay your edges away, because we need to look cute during quarantine, and you know, we got nothing else to do than to just practice being beautiful. Practice doing your hair, practice doing your edges. So this gel, it has kukui oil with vitamins A, C, and E, which promote healthier and shinier hair, and your style will be crunch free, flake free, and of course last for days. And yes, I can say after using this for a week, everything that it says on this bottle is exactly right. It holds, it's amazing, it smells good, it's quality product, and it's Black owned. So that's another reason why you should purchase this. So yes, Robin is amazing. I met her maybe like 5 years ago back in LA, and we met through our husbands. And I remember just meeting her with her curly hair, and we just clicked from that. And yeah, it's, you know, she's been creating these products for the last 5 years, and I remember her telling me about releasing them this year. I wasn't sure about it, but I was like, girl, you better, this is like the perfect time. Even though there's a crazy situation, I always feel like things like this, when you take action, something great will come out of it. And she has so much support. She created amazing products, and I'm so glad she did it and she took the leap of faith, because for me, like even after having my daughter, I was using the same products as I did before I was pregnant, and after having her, the products just didn't like sit well with my hair. But as soon as I tried her hair products, there's a huge difference. Like I feel so much more confident about my curls than I did before. Like I wanted to cut my hair. Like I almost cut my hair. Until I used her products and I just let it sit for a day. I pulled my hair down and I was like, oh my God, I got curls. I didn't have curls since before having my daughter. So thank you so much, Robin. Thank you for creating this and for believing in your dream. And I am so excited about you continuing to do other things with your brand. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.